The streetlights hum a lonely tune. Put a shimmer under the pale moon. My shadow follows but keeps its space. A ghost in the rain I can't replace. Drip, drip on my skin, it stings, falling like the weight of everything. Rain in the night, it washes me, cleansing wounds no one can see. I'm drowning quiet, but I can't fight the ache that comes with rain in the night. Windows fogged with secrets untold. The air is sharp, the world feels cold. Every drop's a word I never said, a symphony of regrets unshed. Each drop a tear from skies above. They whisper lost, they scream of love. Rain keeps falling